Mastering compound antecedents in English grammar. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English grammar and we're going to explore a fascinating topic: compound antecedents. We'll learn what they are, how they're used, and most importantly, how to ensure agreement between compound antecedents and the pronouns that refer to them. Let's get started. First things first, let's define what a compound antecedent is. An antecedent is simply the word, phrase, or clause that a pronoun refers to. Now, when we talk about compound antecedents, we're referring to situations where there are two or more antecedents joined by words like and, or. Here's an example. In the game, Rachel and Amy performed really well. They scored the most points. In this sentence, Rachel and Amy are the compound antecedents, and they is the pronoun referring to them. Understanding compound antecedents is crucial, but it's equally important to know how to use pronouns correctly with them. The general rule is that a compound antecedent joined by and takes a plural pronoun. Let's illustrate this with an example. Jack and Jill went up the hill. They fetched a pail of water. Here, Jack and Jill is the compound antecedent, and they is the plural pronoun. However, when the antecedents are joined by or, nor, the pronoun agrees with the nearer antecedent. For instance, either the dog or the cats have moved their bowls. In this case, the pronoun their agrees with the nearer antecedent, cats, which is plural. English grammar wouldn't be English grammar without a few exceptions, right? There are cases when two singular nouns joined by and represent a single entity or idea. In these cases, a singular pronoun is used. For example, peanut butter and jelly is a popular sandwich. It is loved by kids. Here, even though peanut butter and jelly seems to be a compound antecedent, it represents a single sandwich. Hence the use of the singular pronoun, it. And that's a wrap on compound antecedents. Understanding how to use these effectively can really help you to write more accurately and confidently. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep looking for opportunities to use compound antecedents in your everyday writing and speaking. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!